Hello legal hustlers. In this video we explore a range of essential legal concepts that form the foundation of our justice system. We delve into the meaning and significance of terms such as justice, bar and bench, duty, right, wrong, remedy, fact, jurisdiction, person, offense, bail, damage, and compensation. Once upon a time, there was a person who was accused of committing an offense. The offense had caused a lot of damage to the victim, who was seeking compensation for their losses. The accused person was arrested and put behind bars, but they filed a petition for bail. The case went to trial, where the judge presided over the bar and bench. The judge had the duty to ensure that justice was served, and that the accused person was given a fair trial. The judge listened to both sides, considered the facts of the case, and determined whether or not the accused person was guilty of the offense. If the accused person was found guilty, the judge would then consider what remedy was appropriate for the victim's losses. The victim had the right to seek compensation for any damages that had been caused. The judge had the jurisdiction to order the accused person to pay compensation to the victim as a form of remedy for the wrong that had been committed. In the case of the accused person who had filed for bail, the judge had to consider whether or not they were a flight risk and if there was a risk that they would commit another offense if they were released. After considering all of the facts, the judge determined that the accused person could be released on bail under certain conditions. In the end, justice was served, and the victim received the compensation they deserved for the damages caused by the offense. The accused person was held accountable for their actions and had to face the consequences of their wrongdoing. The judge fulfilled the duty to ensure that the legal concepts of justice, bar and bench, duty, right, wrong, remedy, fact, jurisdiction, person, offense, bail, damage, compensation, trial, and petition were all considered and applied appropriately in this case. Justice. Justice is the principle of fairness and equity in the legal system. It is the basis for the rule of law. The concept of justice is enshrined in the Constitution of many countries. For example, in the U.S. Constitution, the Fifth Amendment guarantees that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Bar and bench. Bar refers to the group of lawyers who are qualified to practice law. Bench refers to the judges who preside over court proceedings. The bar and bench work together to ensure that justice is served in the legal system. Duty. Duty refers to an obligation that someone has to fulfill. In the legal system, duty can refer to a legal obligation that someone has to perform a certain action or refrain from doing something. For example, a doctor has a duty to provide care to their patients. Right. A right is a legal entitlement that someone has. It can refer to a legal claim that someone has to something, such as property or liberty. For example, the right to free speech is protected by the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. Wrong. Wrong refers to an action or behavior that is contrary to the law or moral principles. In the legal system, wrong can refer to a violation of a legal duty. For example, theft is considered a wrong in most legal systems. Remedy. Remedy refers to a legal solution to a problem or dispute. In the legal system, a remedy can be a court order that requires someone to take a certain action or retrain from doing something. For example, if someone is injured in a car accident, they may seek a remedy in the form of compensation for their medical expenses and lost wages. Fact. Fact refers to a statement or assertion that can be proven to be true or false. In the legal system, facts are important because they form the basis of legal. For example, in a criminal trial, the prosecution must prove the facts of the case arguments and beyond a reasonable doubt. Jurisdiction. Jurisdiction refers to the legal authority that a court or other government entity has over a particular case or matter. In the legal system, jurisdiction is important because it determines which court or entity has the power to make legal decisions. Example: if a case involves a federal law, it may be heard in a federal court with jurisdiction over that law. Person. Person refers to an individual who has legal rights and responsibilities. In the legal system, person can refer to both natural persons, human beings, and legal persons, corporations or other entities that have legal status. For example, a corporation may be considered a legal person with the ability to enter into contracts and sue or be sued in court. Offense. Offense refers to a violation of the law. In the legal system, offenses can be classified as criminal or civil. Criminal offenses are those that are punishable by imprisonment or other criminal penalties, while civil offenses. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.